Hi, I'm Marcella Johnson, and we were asked to put this video together for any facility, hospital, or organization that gives away the Comfort Cub. This is the Comfort Cub. It's a weighted therapeutic teddy bear, and it will come to you in a case of 6. Here, you'll get the cub. It will come in this plastic container, and you can just rip it open. Inside this card is a little note to whoever receives it saying that it comes from the Comfort Cub, and it says, I got a little smushed along the way, so could you please fluff me up and give me some love? So basically what you want to do is you want to just take him, and this is very scientific, but this is how you fluff him up. And it really does, just doing that little shaky shake kind of thing. And each teddy bear is made by hand, so they all look a little different. And it's okay. It's meant to look like a bear that is much loved because it was created with a lot of love. So how do you present this cub? You can throw this away, but please keep this on. It's really important that before you give the cub, it'd be really nice to know a little bit about the person who's lost this child and if they named their baby or not. And if they did name their child, it's really very special to call the child by name. You know, I'm so sorry that you lost George or your little girl Sarah. So we just find that just a little bit of personalization and taking a moment to let them know how much you care can go a long way towards their healing. Our feeling is that the less said, the better. The card pretty much speaks for itself. So you could just say, this is a gift from a mother who lost a child, and it's yours to take if you would like. And if they choose to take it, that's great. And if they don't, that's fine too. There's a note attached by me, and it talks about the fact that I also lost my child and how I know that there's no gift or any words that could be spoken that could take away their great pain, but this is some small way of trying to let them know that someone else cares. And I sign it with love, a fellow mom. And that's meant to let that person know. There's often a question in a woman's mind if she loses a child, is she still a mother? And so that's meant to say, yes, you are a mother. You will always be a mother. For you to know about the Comfort Cub, it's weighted. It's meant to feel like the weight of about an average baby, between 5 and 7 pounds. And we know now that weighted objects have a very good therapeutic value. And you've probably seen weighted blankets. And then also weighted objects are used for patients with Alzheimer's and also patients with autism. We know that weighted objects help to calm them. And the reason is that when you hold it close to you, it's called deep touch pressure, and it causes your brain to release the neurotransmitters of dopamine and serotonin and oxytocin. And those are all the things that help you to feel better. It literally produces a lower heart rate. It helps your breathing to slow down, and it gives you an overall sense of calm. And the most important thing is to let you know that this is intended to be a gift from one mother to the next. And I think that there's a very, very special bond between two women who have lost a child that crosses all barriers. And I think it will make a big difference to your patients. And on behalf of all of the people who work on the Comfort Cub, we have a lot of volunteers, and usually a lot of the women and men who work with the Comfort Cub have experienced loss in their life. Our goal is to try to make sure that no woman who ever loses a child or a family that loses a child would ever have to leave the hospital empty-handed. So you are helping us to accomplish that goal, and we are very grateful to you. So thank you so much. Hope your patients get a lot of comfort from them.